All right, everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Always.
Today, we're heading down under to Australia, where a company called Navosoft is making waves.
Big waves.
They say they're changing the crypto game with AI. For investors like you guys out there listening,
Yep.
we dug into their latest press release and, well, let's just say we had a lot of questions.
Yeah, some pretty bold claims in there for sure.
So let's unpack this a bit. First things first, what exactly is this AI-powered system Navosoft is touting? They say it's for smarter and faster crypto trading, but what does that even mean?
Okay, so think of it this way. The crypto market, it's constantly shifting, right? Up, down, sideways.
Never a dull moment.
Exactly. And there's just so much data out there. It's overwhelming even for seasoned investors.
Oh, tell me about it.
Navosoft is saying their AI can cut through all the noise. It analyzes everything in real time, spots trends, flags opportunities.
Hold on, real-time analysis of it, like as it's happening.
That's exactly what they're saying, like having an army of analysts, glued to their screens, but way, way faster.
Okay, I'm starting to get the picture, but how does this AI actually work? What kind of data is it looking at?
Well, they mentioned a few things in the press release. Obviously, market data prices, trading volume, the usual suspects.
Right.
But then they go a step further. They're also pulling in data from social media, news feeds, even things like online forums.
Wait, like what people are saying on Reddit about Bitcoin?
Hmm.
They're factoring that in.
It seems that way. They're trying to capture market sentiment, the overall mood, see if there's any hype building around a particular coin or maybe signs of a crash coming.
Interesting. So it's like the AI is reading the collective mind of the crypto world.
Kind of. The idea is to get a more holistic view of the market beyond just the numbers.
Okay, I see the potential there. But how does all this translate into actual trading decisions? I mean, I can't just hand over my entire portfolio to an AI and hope for the best, right?
Right. And this is where the personalized part comes in. Navosoft claims that their AI can tailor trading strategies to your specific needs.
My needs.
Exactly. You tell the system your investment goals, your risk tolerance, what kind of assets you're interested in.
Like if I'm more of a Bitcoin hocho dealer or if I like to play the altcoin game.
Precisely. And then the AI takes all that information and crafts a strategy just for you.
I'm a little skeptical. How does an AI even understand risk tolerance? What does a personalized strategy even look like?
Well, those are good questions. And honestly, the press release is a little vague on the details. They mention things like questionnaires and analyzing your past trading behavior to determine your risk profile.
So they're basically trying to figure out how much of a daredevil you are with your crypto.
Exactly. As for the strategies themselves, they give a couple of examples. Like, if you're a more cautious investor, the AI might recommend a dollar cost averaging approach. Steady, consistent investments over time.
Right, makes sense.
But if you're more adventurous, the AI might suggest, say, actively trading momentum swings, trying to ride those big price waves.
Okay, so it's not just about buying and holding. It's about actually playing the market. I can see how some people would find that really appealing.
Definitely. And that brings us to the third big feature of Navosoft's AI automation.
Ah, yes. The robot takeover.
Not quite. But it is true that the AI can handle a lot of the heavy lifting. Once you've set your parameters, it can execute trades, manage your portfolio, even rebalance your assets based on real-time market conditions.
You're saying I could literally be sleeping while my AI is out there buying and selling crypto on my behalf.
That's the idea. It's 204/7 trading without you having to lift a finger.
I don't know whether to be terrified or thrilled. But, okay, let's say I'm intrigued by all this. What makes Navosoft's AI different from all the other AI trading platforms out there? Seems like everyone's jumping on this bandwagon these days.
It's true. The market is getting pretty crowded, but Navosoft is emphasizing a couple of key things that they say set them apart. One is the sophistication of their machine learning model. They call it deep reinforcement learning.
Deep reinforcement learning. Sounds intense.
It is. Basically, it means the AI is constantly learning and adapting based on feedback from the market. It's not just following a set of pre-programmed rules. It's actually evolving, like a human trader would.
So it's like the more it trades, the smarter it gets.
Exactly. And that leads to the second big differentiator, accuracy. Navosoft claims their AI can consistently outperform not only traditional market indicators, but even human experts.
Whoa, hold on a second. Those are some serious claims. Do they have any evidence to back that up?
Well, that's the thing. The press release doesn't go into specifics. They say they've done extensive backtesting and simulations, but we haven't seen any independent verification of their results.
Right, so we definitely need to take those claims with a grain of salt. Always a good idea to be cautious, especially in the crypto world. But let's play devil's advocate for a minute. Let's say this AI is as good as they say it is. What does Navosoft see as the big picture here? What's their vision for the future of crypto investing?
Well, they talk a lot about democratization, the idea that anyone, regardless of their expertise or how much time they have to devote to trading, can potentially profit from the crypto market.
Sounds a bit utopian, doesn't it?
It does. They use the word empowerment a lot. Like, their AI is giving everyday investors the tools they need to level the playing field.
Empowerment. I like the sound of that. But couldn't this also backfire? What if people become too reliant on the AI, stop doing their own research, and end up making bad decisions?
Absolutely. That's a huge risk. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it's important to remember it's a tool. It's not a magic crystal ball. Investors still need to do their due diligence, understand the risks involved, and be prepared for volatility.
Right. Because the crypto market, let's face it, is a wild ride.
Yeah.
And no AI, no matter how sophisticated, can completely eliminate that risk.
Exactly. And that's why it's so important to have these conversations, to really examine the potential benefits and the risks of this technology.
Absolutely. Because AI in finance, it's not just some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's happening now.
Hmm.
And it's going to have a profound impact on how we invest, how we manage our money, how we think about the markets as a whole.
Right. And it raises some pretty mind-blowing questions. I mean, if we hand over all our investment decisions to AIs, will humans even understand the market anymore?
And what happens when the AI start trading against each other? Is that the future? A Wall Street battle of the bots?
Who knows? But it's definitely something to think about.
It is. And on that note, we're going to leave you, our amazing listeners, with a question to ponder. If you could have an AI manage your crypto portfolio, what would be your biggest hope and your biggest fear?
Let us know. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
All right, everyone. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of crypto.nai.
See you next time.